Okay, so anyone that wants to clean their headlights and get that oxidation off, I bought the 3M car care kit with sanding, which is a pain, but here's the original headlight, what it looked like before I polished it. It's the one I haven't done yet. You can see how bad it is. Can barely get any light out of it, and it's really fogged over. And after only 55,000 steps, this is the other one. So it does work, but 3 steps of sanding and polish, but the difference is huge. So it's made by 3M, 3-step car care. Alright, on to the next one.